but just sometimes. Let me use this paper here that's a little beat up. So here in Texas, our lake is 20% full. Can walk across back half. You get out, you put in, gotta, what's it? You get out, what you put in, gotta go hard in the plan if you want. Great. Oh, absolutely. Being able to adjust anything no matter where I am via Trollmaster. Yeah, that's the one I want, is the AC Infinity controller. Yep. Yep. And I've almost bought it several times, and I should have. But for the most part, I'm always here, except for the 2 times that we take off during the summer. So yeah. You know, you're probably like, well, how would you have controlled the temperature med that hit 88 and 89? Well, what I would have done if I was here is, for you guys that know my chambers, I would have opened up the chamber door. All right, and then that way the air conditioning unit would have got in there, and you know, it would have brought it down a few degrees for sure. Well, Med, why didn't you just leave the door open while you were gone? That would be the next question. Well, that's because the chamber next to it is not on a flowering cycle. It's on a veg cycle. Okay, so then I'd have light blazing when it shouldn't be. All right. Let's make sure I'm caught up, chat. Hey, man, thanks for all the likes. I see you guys going to town on that. Being able, okay, I read that one. I'm not automated for watering, so I just water heavy for 2. I've done that, but I knew it was going to be hot. I had to set up full automation because I was hand watering most of the garden. Because I like top watering. I think it produces a, my theory, produces a better root mass. All right, burn that paper off. Cheers, everybody. I hate that first paper hit. Don't you guys? It's like, you're like, ugh. All right. I do have AC Infinity controllers, but they're the old ones. They're the old ones, Chase. They're not the ones that hook up to the... And all I have to do is just buy the controllers. And I'm good to go. I don't have to swap fans out or nothing. My fans are all controllable to the new controllers. So I just need to... I only need 3 right now because the main flower room I'm not really flowering in. So, yeah. I got the old controllers. I'll show them to you. Oh, man, what's up, Detroit? No, they call me Mr. Bibbs. Hey, man. Yeah, we're going to get back to doing regular live streaming. Vacation time's over. Told the wife it's time to make money. No more fucking around. We got to make money. Super Boof cherries, man. My, one of my clone vendors sent this to me, gave this to me. It's pretty good. It's burning pretty good. Medgrower, what would you say your favorite LED light is? Best price, performance, customer service. You guys there? Hello? That stupid phone. Hello? Are we still going? I know there's no vid because an idiot frickin' called. You guys can hear me? But no vid. God damn it. I fucking hate this. It's just bullshit that the video won't come back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restart. This is total garbage. At least on Instagram. Yeah, who calls these days? Solicitors. Instagram will restart the video back. It's total bullshit. All right, I'm going to refire it up, you guys. Hold on a second.